All right, hello guys. Today we are working on our density lab. So I am going to show you what setup I have here. Now you can really do whatever you want with this. It's just kind of something fun to play around with. My face looks really weird. So what I have here, this is just water. I just dyed it blue so you could see it more easily. I'm going to put some syrup. I know in the directions I said maple syrup. I didn't have maple syrup, so I have corn syrup and some vegetable oil. Any type of oil will work, but this is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my glass here. Oh, that's sticky. Okay. All right. Now let's go ahead and pour in my corn syrup now. So we have we can see the water is at the bottom and my oil has floated to the top. Now let's go ahead and put some corn syrup in there. You can see it just sank straight down to the bottom of this glass. Ooh, this is like really... It looks like a booger. Okay. All right. So here we go. We can see I have my corn syrup down at the bottom, and whatever syrup you use, this is what you will notice. I have my water in the middle with my oil on top. Now let's just, for fun, add a couple objects in there. And now you can really use whatever objects you want to use. I just literally looked around my house and found what was around. So I'm going to start off with this little glass marble thing. So I'm going to drop that in and see what happens. Okay, so we can see it sank all the way down to the bottom. So that has a pretty high density. Okay, let's try, I don't know, I found a grape. Let's see what happens when I put a grape in there. Okay, if you look, the grape is actually sitting on top of the syrup. It is not quite heavy enough to break through. So you can see the marble is much lower than the grape. So the grape is kind of suspended there a little bit. You know, I think I'm actually going to add a little bit more corn syrup so you can see it a little bit easier. Ooh, gross. Okay, so maybe, yeah, that makes it a little bit easier to see how the grape was stopped at the water. It is not heavy enough to travel past that. Okay, I don't know, I found this little tiny binder clip, so let's see where this one lands. Oh, interesting. Okay, same thing. No, it looks like it might be floating down. It's kind of that like awkward in between. Oh, wait. Yes, okay, it is denser, so it is floating all the way down. I have this random little rock someone gave me. It's called a lace agate. So we'll just throw that in too, because hey, why not? All right, that one looks like it's also pretty heavy, so that one sank down to the bottom. And I just found this random earplug, so let's just see where this one goes. And the earplug looks like it floats right on top there. So you could do this with any objects you have around the house. You could figure out what will float on top of water, the oil, anything like that. So there you go.